the content in this video is for information purposes only and not intended for medical advice.
My name is Charlene and I've been taking Ankara Moringa. I found it very good for my body. It gives me lots of energy, boosts my energy levels. It gives me a good night's sleep, improves the sleep. It cleanses the body. It's detoxifying, it enriches my blood because I'm always told that I have low iron levels. It's good to boost my energy levels because I was always looking for alternatives to boost my health, but natural ways. I don't like to take conventional medicines because I don't trust them. And I always find that natural is best. So I would definitely suggest everybody to take Ankara.
Visit www.ankara.com. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below.
All the content in this video is for information purposes only and not intended for medical advice.